If you're selling on Amazon this Q4, smarter pricing can make or break your profit. Stuff moves fast, prices spike, competitors come and go, and if you're not adjusting your prices smartly, you're either overpriced and missing sales or underpriced and leaving cash on the table. So here's what I do. I set a minimum price based on my ROI, not just cost. Next, I use rules to raise prices when the buy box disappears. And finally, I never join the race to the bottom. I match, not undercut. That's how you protect profit and move inventory fast. But hey, trying to figure all this out during Q4, that's chaos. So here's the move. Click the link in the description and join the next OA challenge. It's a 14-day live program that walks you through tools, sourcing, pricing, all of it, with real sellers and real support. Don't wing it this Q4. Let's crush it together.